central Illinois until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northeast of Danville to near Allen, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency management. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Danville, Georgetown, Westville, Tilton, Catlin, Ridge Farm, Seidel, Belgium, Bismarck, Indianola, Jamaica, Vermilion County Airport, Alvin and Kickapoo State Park. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 209 and 219. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Vermilion, Illinois. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for Central for this afternoon and tonight.
Should have been a doubleheader, but okay.